Hi, my name is Marcia Francis, founder and creative director of Ambiance Creative. We were established in 2018, February of 2018. We're a full-service wedding and event planning company. We plan, we coordinate, and we also design and decorate weddings and events such as birthdays, anniversaries, and any other event that you would like for us to handle. We do operate in the tri-state area, specifically Delaware, Maryland, Pennsylvania, and South Jersey. However, we can go wherever the client takes us. I think that what makes us stand out among the crowd is our love for love. So we do specialize in weddings. We prefer to do weddings because personally, I love to see people in love, and I like to execute the vision of a couple, to tell their story on their wedding day. One event comes to mind, and it's actually a double whammy of that one event. I would say one couple that comes to mind. The couple contacted us during COVID, saying that they wanted to get married, and COVID was kind of hampering their plans of getting married. So they decided to do a scaled back event in their home. And we traveled to Baltimore. We did their wedding. They were happy. It was a very intimate wedding. And they were amazed that we were able to transform their small townhouse into that beautiful oasis that they envisioned. And it was beautiful enough for them to actually call us back when they were having their baby, and they called us to say, we're now having our baby. We'd like you guys to come back with your full team. And when I say our full team, they wanted our DJ or videographer or a bartender. They wanted the full team to come back. And it was just a joy serving them for the second time in less than 2 years. So that stood out for me because, it showed how much the client appreciated and admired the attention we gave to their event and their love and time. That is one thing that most clients always say at the end of an event, that they are amazed at how we pay attention to the smallest detail, things that they never thought about. We think about it for them because we just don't offer what the client pays for. We think about what the client doesn't think about. So there are certain details, doesn't care how minor the detail is, we try to include it because we know the clients probably don't think about it or know about it. So we try to include it. And that, I think, that makes it stand out for us because we're not just giving you what you pay for, we're giving you a lot more than you pay for because we are seeing the things that you can't see to make your event special. I am originally from Jamaica. I always loved designing little things since I was young. I had my first taste of a wedding when I was about 18. A friend of mine was getting married. Well, a neighbor was getting married. She didn't know what to do and she didn't have the money to pay for, an expensive wedding company. So I actually used the flowers around her garden in her home to decorate her room, and she had her wedding, and she was very impressed. And so ever since then, I've been always loving to do stuff. I love to see beauty. I love making things beautiful. So since I was young, I like to decorate homes. I just love beautiful things. We recently had a wedding at the Marion in New Jersey. It was not a big wedding, but it was about 135 guests. It was a very big venue to handle, but we got through it and it was beautiful. We got a lot of positive feedback. The couple was happy with their wedding and the guests were impressed, and we had a lot of positive words back from the guests themselves. With most events, there are always things that go awry. Things don't always go to plan, and you have to be able to think on your feet. A lot of times things may not, flow the way you want it to flow. There are things that don't always work out the way you want it to go, but you have to be able to think quickly as an event planner. so you can, do what you need to do to make it perfect for your client. And they shouldn't have to know that something went wrong. Yes, we've had events where you're planning for an outdoor event and then it rains and you have to kind of convert to an indoor setting within a short space of time, so yeah, we've had that before. The future of Ambience Created, we would love to see some growth with our company. We currently have 3 assistants who assist us with our events. We would love to see it grow into and expand into a larger company where we can hire more staff. We would like to get into corporate event planning, so we can add that to our portfolio as well. We'd love to have much larger weddings. I would love to get a wedding with 250 to 300 guests to get a taste of that larger event. So we are working towards growth. We plan towards growth. We have a lot in place for growth. So we're just waiting for the opportunities to come our way. Ambience Created can be found on Instagram, on Facebook, or if you go to our website, we are linked to all of our sites, to our platforms. We are at www.ambiancecreated.com, or you can call us at 302-563-9229. Ambience Created, for exceptional wedding, event planning, and design services.